Ben and Sen, the two ants. A cheerful story about two tinny friends. It's a fine morning. Two ants go out of their homes. They are good friends. One ant is big, the other is small. The big ant is Ben, the small ant is Sen. They go out to play. The ants reach a park. Ah, a swing, says Sen. Let's sit on the swing, says Ben. They swing back and forth. Whee! Ah, a seesaw, says Sen. Let's sit on the seesaw, says Ben. Ben sits on one side, Sen sits on the other. The seesaw moves up and down. Suddenly, Sen goes up in the sky. Ben falls down on the ground. The small ant Sen falls on a leaf of a tree. The big ant Ben falls on the ground. Sen looks down. Ben looks up. Both are sad. A shiny dewdrop sees Sen crying. Why are you crying? Asks the dewdrop. Help me, says Sen. Don't worry, says the dewdrop. I will help you. Let's jump down the yellow leaf. Sen and the dewdrop jump to a yellow leaf. The leaf floats softly in the air. The dewdrop, the ant, and the leaf come down together. The yellow leaf with Sen and the dewdrop falls near Ben. Are you okay? Asks Ben. Yes, I am, smiles Sen. The end. Ben and Sen's fun day.